talk about how can you get premium on your Roblox app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Roblox app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on more down here. When you just click here on more here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on premium, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this is here to membership. So just switching to open video here, then you click here on get premium here. When you just click on it, and here can you select if you want to add here 1 month or here. So just click on subscribe now, then here add purchase here. So then it's going to show for you list here. Just switching to open video here. So then here can you add your debit or credit card, add your credit card information, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.